I was going Saba. Well, I doing last night, Saba. I was sleeping. See the bed, back on drinking. Huh? What's it say? The dog, it's outside. It's the dog. It's a dog. Roberto, Daddy, you need to go to school. Don't get in trouble. If you get in trouble, will be grounded. Punished is rest of life. Do you understand? And Tasha, cause no school on Friday. To no school on Friday, June 26. Okay? It's time for There's Around. It's our port. 3, 2, 1. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I pull fire alarm.
Oh shoot! At least I can get my violin. Oh shoot! This is a loot. Oh shoot! At least I can get my violin. This is a loot. Oh shoot! At least I can get my violin.
But Saba, we're gonna play first class with me. Yeah, boy. Right, Robbie, let's go, Saba. Well, I doing last. Hey, Saba, well, I doing last night, Saba. Sleeping. What can you do? Huh? What you say? Huh? What you say? Robbie, time for clean up. I put down some. No, need to stuff deal for call for school about Daddy. What? Daddy poor fire alarm. Oh no! But there will be no more school, but she's granted for 100 festival. 100. Okay. Mommy, where are you going? I'm gonna pick Daddy up. I'm gonna pick Daddy up because she's got spent it for 100 plus 100, and granted, she's poor fan. Get it then, Daddy. Oh no! Oh no! Sip, that's up, boy. Happy. No, I'm not happy anymore. I'm not happy anymore. I'm very mad at you, Daddy. What? Daddy, your school calling us. Did you put a fire alarm? Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
You are grounded.
Okay. Take it back from, but someone will beat you. Okay, you're grounded. Hold on. There's no focus, no topics, no phone, no just nothing. We're not having it. What's for dinner? Yes, spaghetti, but someone is mad at you. Hold on. There's no focus, no topics, no phone, no just nothing. We're not having it. Oh, we're not in it. which you're just doing work, schoolwork, and that's it. I mean, you don't ever pour 5 hours. You're grounded, not PlayStation, no Xbox, nothing.